In today's video, guys, we're going to look into this Etsy seller who's made close to $1 million in selling digital products and how you can replicate that success as well. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. And also don't forget to check the first link in the description for my #1 way to recommended way to get started online. So guys, if we look at this particular Etsy store here by the name of Willow Lane Peppery, they've been around for a little while now, I guess, based on the number of products that they are selling. But as you can see, they've made over 190,000 sales from this one particular store alone, and all they do is really sell those little quite good looking designs, especially in the wedding niche. As you can see, they have a ton of products in here, over 3,000 digital products that they are selling, and they've got like wedding invitations, wedding programs, table sitting charts, table numbers. So a lot of their product is around the wedding theme or something along those lines, bridal shower, baby shower, shower games, planners and schedules. So they've got a ton of those products in that particular niche, and they've been doing extremely well, as you can see, because they've got over 190,000 sales already. And if we look at some of their products here, you'll see that a lot of the products are under the $10 range. As you can see, $9 here, $5.58, $7.98, $3, $7.98, $3, $7, $20. There's a package here for $24. So it seems to me like the average price would be somewhere around $5 or $4 or something like that, because I can see $7, $6, $9, and they got, as you can see, they've got like a ton of products, like over 3,000 products, which is insane. So they've clearly been doing this for a little while now, and they've been uploading a ton of templates. And if we try to do some calculation here, let me bring my calculator, and they've got like 190,000 sales already on their store. And let's just say they have an average price of $5, okay? Because some people are going to buy more than one template, some people are going to buy some of those lower price templates. So let's say they are making on average, let's be conservative and say they make on average $5 per customer, right? So that's just under $1 million that they've made from this one particular Etsy store alone, which is really insane, the amount of success that they've been having with this. And the craziest thing, guys, is that this seller is not the only one having this kind of success. There are a lot of other people selling templates on Etsy, making crazy amount of money as well, and so can you. And the crazy thing, guys, is that this seller is not the only one who's made such a huge amount of money off of Etsy. There's a lot of other people out there that are also making that kind of money, and so can you as well. So let's get started and let's explore how you can get started doing something similar to this. So the first thing you're going to do is, step one is you're going to go and do some research, okay? You want to find out what are the kind of templates that you can create, okay? Because you're going to post a lot. As you can see, this particular seller has over 3,000 templates that he's uploaded, and you will need to upload and create a lot of templates. Obviously, you're not going to get to the 3,000 mark overnight, but you are going to have to upload a lot of those templates in order to have success, because the more templates you create and you upload, the greater the chances of one of your templates going crazy and going viral and making you most of your sales. Obviously, you're not going to get to the high number overnight, but if you upload, like if you create 3 or 4 templates per day, in a few months you'll have hundreds and hundreds of templates uploaded on Etsy. And this is what you want to do. You want to create a lot of templates to really make this work for you. So the step number one is you need to do some research and find out what are the templates that people are searching for or trying to buy on Etsy. So you would go on Etsy, you can simply type in templates and have a look at what are the kinds of templates that shows up. As you can see, you got resume templates, monthly budget spreadsheet templates. You've got, I can see CV templates, Instagram post templates. So there's a ton of different templates. As you can see, you can simply go to the search bar, type template and see what shows up. So you've got template Instagram for Instagram posts, planner templates, business cards templates, wedding invitations, for labels. So those are the different kinds of templates that you should note down and consider creating. You can even go further. Let's say we press spacebar and put the letter A. Just to see what shows up. So you got template address label and recipe card, template art. So let's say we go letter B, template business card, template banner, template bridal shower. We saw that on that other person's Etsy store. Template baby shower as well, template business, template bundle, template birthday. So if we put the letter C, you got template Canva. This is where you're going to create your template. Template CV, template card, template invitation, Valentine. So as you can see, there's no shortage of ideas of what kind of templates you can create to start selling on Etsy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a huge list of some of the templates that you can start creating for the next few months. Step number 2 now is to make a plan. Okay, you will need to decide how many templates you're going to upload on a daily basis. As I've said already, this is really going to be a numbers game, and you're going to have to upload a lot of templates, because then 1 or 2 of your templates, if not more than that, will make most of your money. So you have to make a plan how many templates you can create and upload per day, so that you have an idea of how many templates you're going to create per month. So a lot of those templates at first, they might take you a little bit of time to create because it's your first time, but as you create more and more templates, you will become very, very good at creating those templates very, very quickly, and eventually you can get to a point where you can create 4 or 5 different templates per day. Maybe in just like half an hour or 1 hour of work per day, you can easily create 5 or 6 different templates. So let's say you were to create 5 templates per day. In 1 month, you would have 150 templates. And in 6 months, you would have close to 800 or 900 templates, right? So this is what you need to do. You make a plan how many templates you're going to create per day, so that you have an idea of where you're going to be in 1 month from now, or 3 months from now, or 6 months from now. And then step number 3 is to start creating your templates. Now, where you're going to do this is where everybody does it. So you're going to go on canva.com. This is where everybody go to create those kind of templates. So for example, let's just say we were to go to do the wedding template one. So let's say wedding templates. Let me type wedding template. And once you've typed that, this is what Canva is going to show you. They're going to present you with a bunch of different templates that you can use and start creating your own templates from. So as you can see, there's a lot of choices here. Some of those templates, as you will see, has a pro science with it, which means that you need a pro membership with Canva in order to start using them, but not all of them will have that. So for example, let's just say we were to click on this one. Let's wait for Canva to open this particular template here. You could start working on this particular template, change it, make it more unique. So for example, let's say I was to zoom on this one, and basically let me go to elements. Let's see what I can find. Okay, some if you see those graphics, you could include them inside of your template. So obviously you can't just sell those templates that you see on Canva. You will need to change them a little bit, make them more unique before you decide to sell them. So let's say I remove this. Let's say I was to remove this. Let's say I remove this one as well. And let's say I was to add some of those graphics that are in here. Let's say I wanted to add so let's say I wanted to add this one. Okay, let me delete this. Let me go to the first one. Let's say I wanted to add this one here. Could do this. You could let me rotate this, something like that. Put it somewhere in here, or maybe I include this one instead. Let's do this one. Let's increase the size of this. Let me delete this one. Let's delete this one. Let me open this up. So you could do something like that. You could take one of their template and change it up. Maybe change the color as well. You can change the color, make it more red or more gray or whatever, black, something like that. Change it. Do this. You could maybe add something else like this particular graphic here. So this is just for the sake of example. Okay, this is not exactly what I would do. I would obviously spend a little bit more time on this, but this is just to give you an idea of what you can do with on Canva with some of those features that are already available to you. Okay, so let's just say we will take this one, and let's just say we take this, we put it somewhere around here like this. Let's say we put this one here. Let's say we take another one. Let's put this somewhere around here, something like that. Let's rotate this. Let's make this something like this. So this is how our template could look like. We could change the color, make it something like red or gray or whatever. So, if you spend a little bit more time, you will eventually be able to create a lot of those templates very easily, very quickly. You can change some of those writings on here, the numbers. So this is easily customizable, and you can make this as unique as you want. As I said, at first this might take you a little bit of time to create those templates because you're new to this, but eventually as you create more and more templates every single day, you will become very, very good at creating templates, and you will be able to create those templates very quickly and very easily. And finally, step 4 is to start uploading your templates on Etsy and start selling on Etsy. If you can upload 3 or 5 per day, eventually after a few months, you will have hundreds and hundreds of templates. It wouldn't be surprising if after 4 to 6 months, you had like 1,000 templates uploaded already, and just most probably 20% of that will make most of your money, because there's this thing called the 80-20 rule, where 20% of your work will gain you 80% of your income. So if you upload as many templates as you can, eventually a small percentage of your template will make you most of your income. So it's really a numbers game at the end of the day. So the more you put out, the greater your chances of really making a lot of money from this. Treat this as a side hustle, guys, not some quick way of making money online, because most of those methods that you see on YouTube on how to make money online in 24 hours or in a weekend, most of those methods really don't work. Treat this as a true side hustle. Maybe spend like half an hour a day on this or 1 hour a day on this, and you will eventually see amazing results after a few weeks or a few months. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've seen in this video and what you've learned. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Again, don't forget to check the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to get started online. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.